Watch us trade live right before your eyes from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. every market day Pacific time. Join us now only on SwissFT.com.
Good day, traders. This is Richard. This is Monday morning quarterbacking, and we just got finished taking a live trade and gained over $300 on one contract after we had instantaneously made $450 with a 3-lot. We're up on the day. These numbers are the simulation trade, which is still going, but it's having a really difficult time getting above the 38.2 here. We're expecting a possibility of a pullback. In other words, a 38% pullback, because we can always expect a 38% move from a low, a significant lower. We can expect 38% to the upside from the prior high. However, we can't expect 61%. We can hope for it and it might come, but we can't expect it. And right now it's having a real difficult time getting up even to the 50% point. Hadn't quite made it. It's made it up to the 45% point, but it's pulling back. We have a sell signal now on that 15-minute candle. And if the next 15-minute candle doesn't make a new high, we're definitely coming downtown. And I didn't want to take that ride with real money. I wanted to keep what real money I had. But I'll watch it on the simulator here just to see if I'm right and wrong. There's 3 things going on when you're trading. Number one is you want to be right, but you don't want to risk your bank account on being right. You combine some simulator trading with your live trading, and you test the environment. You stick your toe in the water with your simulator trade. And if it's not too cold, you dive in with real money. And then you manage that real money really, 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 really closely. And it looks like it may want to go on up to the 61.80. However, I'm not going to put real money on it because it may not. So I'm going to keep what I got and not risk it and play with my simulator money without having any worries about losing what I already gained. It's just annoying as hell to do it. And you know, I've been doing this for 20 years. I've lost a lot of money. I've made a lot of money too, but I've lost it. I don't want to lose any more money. I'm a very cautious trader. I'm more cautious. I remember when I was trading the DAX back in 2002, I was up there in my F-16 just flying at Mach 2, screaming across the sky, making $700 or $2,200 in 2 or 3 minutes. When that DAX, if you could get up at midnight with the DAX open and watch that DAX trade for 30 minutes and then wait until it breaks out above the high, buy it. When it breaks above the high it made during the first 30 minutes, and buy it. And you can pick up $25 a point. There's no ticks, it's all point, $25 point. And you can make $500 by accident when it breaks above its prior high that it set in the first 30 minutes of trading. Same thing if it sells off during the first 30 minutes of trading. You short it if it goes below the low during the second 30 minutes. When it goes below the low during the second 30 minutes, you sell it and make the same amount of money, $500. But getting up in the middle of the night, it was always a problem for me. See, this is coming down. See, that's why I got out there. Just look and see where I got out. And we're going to turn the markers on now, and you can see. Why did I get out? I got out because I had the good sense to know that the chances are on the next candle it'd sell off, and it has. I've lost $250, the amount of my gain. Well, my gain was about 300. So this was above 800 a minute ago. And now look at that flat top. That is a sell signal. We could have got on that short and made another couple $100. So trading is an art. It's a science, but it's got art and science mixed together. So you have to be a scientist and an artist to be good at it. And you've got to be a forecaster, and you've got to have a positive mental attitude. But you have to have this judgmental, cautious attitude simultaneously. And it's hard to balance that act. And that is the skill of trading, to balance science with art and fear with greed in order to come out a winner. And I came out a winner because I got out of the trade. See, here's my entry. And well, I'm not looking, I've got to go over to the other account. Now you see where I got in here with my live trade and out here. And that's exactly how far, it's where it closed, where that candle closed, and the next candle went south. So I'd have lost half my money already. Well, there it went right down to where I got in. I'd have lost it all. So that's why I took what I had when I had it. That's critical knowledge for you to store in your bank account in your head. That's all I have to say about that. That's a quick and dirty little tidbit on how to keep your money.
Join us now only on SwissFT.com.